Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Bird Feeder Kit is probably one of the most rewarding additions you can make to your backyard, transforming a simple space into a vibrant hub of avian activity and offering a unique opportunity to connect with nature right outside your window. Imagine the delight of watching colorful finches, cheerful chickadees, and busy woodpeckers flock to your garden, each visit a small spectacle of natural beauty, all thanks to a thoughtfully chosen feeder that caters to their needs and preferences. This isn't just about providing food, it's about creating an ecosystem, fostering biodiversity, and bringing the serene sounds and sights of the wild closer to home, making every moment spent outdoors a little more magical and engaging for the whole family. Number 5. Nature Anywhere Window Bird Feeder. Bring the beauty of nature right to your window. Our transparent feeder lets you observe colorful wild birds up close, creating a delightful experience for you and your family. Featuring 4 heavy-duty suction cups with our Evergrip X4 technology, this feeder stays firmly in place. It's weatherproof and designed to withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. Tired of squirrels raiding your bird feeder? Our unique design and placement recommendations keep those pesky critters away. Enjoy watching birds, not squirrels. There's no assembly required, making it simple for anyone to enjoy backyard birding. Cleaning is also a breeze, so you can spend more time watching and less time maintaining. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bird feeder is ideal for bird lovers, pet lovers, and anyone who appreciates wildlife. It's a unique present that brings joy and nature closer. We stand by our product with a lifetime guarantee and VIP support. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Experience exceptional customer service. What we like? This feeder offers a lifetime guarantee and VIP support, ensuring you're always covered. Its enhanced suction grip and squirrel-proof design mean less mess and more birdwatching enjoyment. If you're looking for a hassle-free, durable option with excellent customer service, this is the one for you. What people say. The design is fantastic. The clear acrylic looks sleek and modern, and once it's on the window, it feels surprisingly sturdy thanks to the strong suction cups. No wobbling, no slipping, just a perfect view of birds up close. The feeder is very well designed. The drainage holes allow water through without letting the seed get gross or create any buildup. It is easy to fill and use, as it requires no assembly. It's convenient to hang on a window and watch the birds from the comfort of your home. Number 4. Clear Window Bird Feeder. Experience the joy of watching beautiful songbirds right from your window. Our feeder offers a clear view, bringing nature closer than ever before. This feeder holds up to 1.5 cups of seed, meaning fewer refills and more time enjoying your fed visitors. Built-in drainage keeps the seeds dry and fresh. Made from thick, transparent acrylic, it's lightweight yet durable. Mount it high on your window to deter squirrels and keep your birdseed safe. Our heavy-duty suction cups ensure a firm and secure hold on any clean glass surface. You can trust it to stay put, even in windy conditions. Looking for a unique gift? This feeder is ideal for kids, parents, and any birdwatching enthusiast. It's a wonderful way to attract a variety of birds. What we like? With a large seed capacity and built-in drainage holes, this feeder keeps seeds fresh and reduces the need for frequent refills. The clear viewing window provides excellent up-close bird sightings. If you want a feeder that's easy to maintain and offers great visibility, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Superior. Better perch arrangement on actual tray versus the acrylic rod on my old feeder. That rod is affixed to sides of the feeder house and breaks too easily. This window feeder is by far the best I have ever used. Previously, I had a clear glass house style one that did not allow the hopper to fill the feeding trays and I was constantly going and shaking the sunflower hearts down. It also had flimsy suction cups that released during cold weather. The other window feeder I used contained 2 individual trays that needed filling and also had flimsy suction cups that squirrels were constantly taking it down. So much so the housing broke. The extra strength suction cups with this feeder have not been breached by squirrels and the 2-tray feeder is 1 unit, which is a stronger design than the 2 individual trays. The installation was a breeze. The circular cutout in the back facilitates better viewing of the birds and the overall appearance is superior without the clouding that so often happens with sunflower hearts. A superior product. This thing is amazing. I've had this feeder up for nearly 2 years now, and I've never had a problem with it. Notably, it has never fallen down, even through all types of weather, and even if I've moved it once or twice to adjust the position, it's just rock solid. Number 3. Beetle and Build a Bird Bungalow. Unleash your creativity with this fun woodworking kit. It's a hands-on way to build and decorate your very own birdhouse, perfect for inspiring young minds. This complete craft set comes with all the FSC certified wood pieces, nails, glue, and even a hanging chain. You'll also find 4 vibrant paints and a brush to bring your creation to life. Engage in exciting learning through play. This kit helps develop fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and sparks imagination. It's ideal for kids ages 4 to 8. Craft with confidence. Made from FSC certified wood and non-toxic paints, it's a sustainable choice for creative fun. Enjoy a project that's good for your child and the environment. Looking for a unique gift? This birdhouse kit offers a wonderful sense of accomplishment. It's a fantastic blend of creativity, learning, and outdoor enjoyment for birthdays or holidays. More than just a craft, this kit introduces STEM concepts through engaging activities. It encourages nature play and artistic expression, making learning an adventure. What we like? This is a complete DIY birdhouse kit that comes with everything needed for kids to build and decorate their own bird bungalow. It's perfect for fostering creativity and learning through hands-on play. If you're looking for an engaging activity for children that combines art, STEM, and nature, this kit is an ideal gift. What people say. The feeder is easy to assemble and fill. It holds a good amount of seed and the birds seem to love it. The design allows for easy cleaning, which is a big plus. Number 2. Best Choice Products 91 inches 4-hook bird feeding station. Attract a variety of wild birds with this all-in-one feeding station. It includes everything you need to get started, making it simple to create a welcoming space for birds in your yard. This kit comes complete with 2 feeders, a tube feeder and a suet feeder. It also includes a water bowl and an additional food tray, offering diverse options for your visiting birds. The durable hooks are perfect for hanging feeders, but they can also hold wind chimes, birdhouses, or other decorative items. Customize your outdoor space with ease. Putting it together is a breeze. Threaded tubes connect easily, and wing nuts secure the feeders and hooks. Simply stake the pole into the ground for a stable setup. Crafted from durable steel, this feeding station is built to last. Its sturdy design and long anchor ensure it can withstand the elements, providing a reliable spot for birds for years to come. Standing at an impressive 91 inches tall, this station is designed to attract dozens of birds. It's a wonderful addition to any garden, enhancing your outdoor experience and bringing nature closer. What we like? This tall feeding station comes with multiple feeders, a bird bath, and a mesh tray, designed to attract a wide variety of birds. Its durable steel construction ensures it will last for years. If you want to create a complete bird feeding haven in your garden and attract many different species, this is an excellent option. What people say. It has a total of 4 prongs, which makes it very sturdy, 2 prongs on the pole itself plus a 2-prong attachment unit. This station has a generous amount of stations, 4 hooks, 1 mesh tray, 1 plastic bird bath tray. The assembly was super easy to put together by myself, no tools needed. Number 1. Best Choice Products 6-hook bird feeding station. Attract a variety of wild birds with this all-in-one feeding station. It includes everything you need to provide food and water for your feathered friends. This station comes with 4 different feeders, a wire feeder, peanut feeder, tube feeder, and suet feeder. It also includes a water bowl and an extra food tray. The sturdy hooks aren't just for feeders. You can also hang wind chimes, birdhouses, or other garden decorations to personalize your space. Assembly is a breeze with threaded tubes and secure wing nuts. Simply stake it into the ground and enjoy watching the birds visit for years to come. Crafted from durable steel, this feeding station is built to last. Its long anchor ensures stability, even in windy conditions. Standing at 89 inches tall, this feeding station is a beautiful addition to any garden. It's designed to attract dozens of birds and enhance your outdoor experience. What we like? Offering even more feeders than its counterpart, this station includes 4 feeders, a water bowl, and a food tray, plus more hooks for additional decorations. Its robust steel build and sturdy base make it a reliable centerpiece for your garden. If you're aiming to provide a diverse feeding experience and a visually appealing setup for your feathered visitors, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The sections of the poles slip together and lock in with a spring-loaded button. There are 2 sets of hooks with 2 hooks on each set and 2 single hooks, and I like that all of them are adjustable. The rings that attach the hooks to the pole slide on easily, but it's still close enough to not have a lot of slop, and they secure with thumb screws. Assembly, easy to put together in just minutes, no tools. The only tools we used was a mallet to get it into our rocky ground, but the 4 stakes helps WTH support. Multiple hooks, more than my other one, 6 adjustable hooks and 2 adjustable bowls, 1 mesh and 1 plastic, that all fit on pole with bracket and screw to hold in place. Putting the stand together was really easy, and overall it's well made, and for birds it would be perfect. It should hold a variety of small birds looking for food or water, but if you have ravenous squirrels then you may want to pass on this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.